Okay, we'll look at some quadratics revision. So first thing we'll look at is factorising. So you've got the basic type, x squared plus x minus 12. We say our product is minus 12, our sum is 1, two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 12 and add to give you 1 are 4 and minus 3. So we can put it straight into brackets, x plus 4 upon x minus 3. 4x squared minus 36. This is one that you have to recognise. It's the difference of two squares, so we can write it straight as 2x plus 6 upon 2x minus 6. For C then, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Our product is minus 6. Our sum is minus 5. Two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 6 and add to give you minus 5 are minus 6 and 1. So the way I do this, I rewrite the equation and replace the minus 5x with our two numbers. So we get 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. Factorise the two pairs. So we've got 2x upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3. You should have a common bracket, x minus 3, and then your other brackets made up with the 2x and the plus 1. Okay, so next we'll look at solving equations. So our first one, x squared equals 9x. So you'll remember from GCSE it has to equal 0 to solve it. So we'll get x squared minus 9x equals 0. Take out x as a factor and we'll be left with x upon x minus 9 equals 0. So our two values for x are 0 and 9. And just to put it into context, if we were drawn the graph of y equals x squared minus 9x, the 0 and the 9 represent where that graph crosses the x-axis. And we call these either the solutions or the roots of the equation. So part B, x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals 0. Our product is minus 15. Our sum is minus 2. Two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 15 and add together to give you minus 2 are minus 5 and 3. So we can write that as x minus 5 upon x plus 3 equals 0. So either x is 5 or x is minus 3. Our third one, 6x squared plus 13x minus 5 equals 0. So our product is minus 30. Our sum is 13. Two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 30 and add to give you 13 are minus 2 and 15. So I'll rewrite the equation and then factorise the two pairs. So we'll get 2x upon 3x minus 1 plus 5 upon 3x minus 1 equals 0. So our common bracket is 3x minus 1 and our other bracket will be 2x plus 5. Our first bracket would give you x is a third and our second bracket x is minus 5 over 2. Okay, D, x squared minus 5x plus 18 equals 2 plus 3x. So to solve this, we're going to have to bring everything to the one side. So we're bringing the 3x across, so we've got minus 5x minus 3x gives you minus 8x, and we've got 18 minus 2, which gives you 16. Our product is 16, our sum is minus 8. Two numbers that multiply together to give you 16 and add to give you minus 8, or minus 4 and minus 4. So we can either write that as x minus 4 upon x minus 4 equals 0, or we can write it as x minus 4 all squared equals 0. And again, just to put that into context, remember when we're solving this equation, then what we're doing is, so when we solve that, we'd get x equal 4. When we're solving the equation, it's showing where it crosses the x-axis, and normally we get two answers. Here we've only got one answer, which means that this graph would just touch the x-axis at that point. Our next one, 2x minus 3 squared equals 25. So the easiest way to do this is to take the square root off either side, which will get rid of this squared, and the square root of 25 is plus and minus 5. So either 2x minus 3 equals 5, which would give us 2x is 8 and x is 4, or 2x minus 3 equals minus 5, which would give us 2x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 1. X minus 3 squared equals 7. So similar to part E. So we start in the same way, take the square root, but this time we can't do anything to root 7, okay? So we just have the third, bring the 3 across, so the minus 3 becomes a plus 3, and you would just leave your answer as 3 plus or minus root 7. If that was a third that you could simplify, you would simplify that down. Okay, the next way we can solve quadratics then is using the quadratic formula. So remembering that from GCSE, x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is our number in front of x squared, b is our number in front of x, and c is our constant. So if we look at 7x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0, our a is 7, b minus 3, and c is minus 2. So putting that into the equations, it's x equals 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 times 7 times minus 2 all over 14. And we get 3 plus or minus root 65 all over 14.